Rubio. All set now, ready to race number 3. Good luck on your second set of your winner take all. And the race is on. Real Thunder from the outside, rushing up Northern Isabel. Down on the inside, Ozone Ashley. Exciting Highway Builder is running by Drell. Scarlet Minstrel, second last Panamera, while Best Kept Secret is the early trailer. Northern Isabel, followed by Exciting Ozone Ashley. Highway Builders running down on the inside. Alongside is Real Thunder, Scarlet Minstrel, Panamera, Best Kept Secret. And inside the last 600, Northern Isabel, Exciting, racing on the outside. And on the further outside, Real Thunder, Highway Builder, running by the Scarlet Minstrel, Panamera, still second last, and Best Kept Secret. As they race the final corner, Northern Isabel by Alencana, followed by Exciting in second. And on the outside, Real Thunder, Highway Builder down on the inside. But still Northern Isabel by about 2 lengths, followed now by Real Thunder and Highway Builder. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run, Northern Isabel number 4 by about 2, and finally Northern Isabel second. Close between Real Thunder, Best Kept Secret, Highway Builder.